Hey everyone, my name is Cody, and this is the first video in a new video series where I briefly discuss the over 45 features and benefits of Builderall. So to start, let's begin with the Cheetah website builder. As you can see, you can build beautiful and really fast websites and pages with the fastest and most advanced website builder on the market. Let's go ahead and see this in action. So we're just going to click this and click play. So to begin with, you're going to name your website and choose a template. And it's very easy. You can choose a blank one or a pre-built template. And you want to click the edit page. And then what you want to do first, you want to add a blank panel and then a background image to that. You can also add your heading text. You can choose the size and the font as well as the color. You can adjust the container size and then write your text inside. You can create paragraphs with this or headings and subheadings. Again, you can change the color, of course. You can then duplicate the text and then create your subheadings. It's just as easy as doing the heading itself. So you choose your size, your font, and you can place the text and minimize the container. You can also choose and add buttons, so you can get people to click your offers or make more sales or leads. You can edit the headline as far as colors as well. You can add a new panel and then add an image. And this image is a PNG image, so the background is transparent. And what this is going to allow you to do is it's going to allow you to place the image wherever you want, and the background is not going to show through. It's going to match whatever background you have on there. And you can add the features text, and this is placed next to your picture, and you can, of course, add an icon from the extensive icon library that Builderall already has. And you can also add paragraph text. Of course, you can resize this and change the positioning, change the font, as well as the color. And then we're going to align the text, and then we can copy and paste, just like we did with the text above. We also add another panel, and then add another image. As you can see, the images, because they are in PNG, work really good on websites. And finally, we're going to be able to align all our elements. And this just makes everything more cohesive, and it looks a lot better for your visitors. Finally, we're going to save. And then one really great thing about the Cheetah website builder is the fact that it's mobile responsive. So if we click here, the 90% of your traffic comes from mobile devices, and Builderall gives you fast and beautiful mobile versions of your website. So, like before, you can create your own funnel or website. You can name it, and then add a description, and then choose your template. We're going to choose the business template here. And then we're going to edit and then adjust the text. The cool thing about the Cheetah Builder is all the text, all the images, and all the layouts pretty much comes pre-built with the ability to make it mobile friendly and responsive. So in the desktop version, you can simply edit your text, change up colors, images. But when you switch to mobile view, you're going to be able to see how the visitor will see it as a cell phone or even a tablet. And here we're going to be able to enlarge or decrease the size of the fonts on all of our areas. As you can see, we're changing it up so it looks more appealing. We can also check the tablet view, which is great. We're going to finally save it, and there you go. So the Cheetah website builder, just one of the many great features and tools and benefits that Builderall offers. If you'd like to discover how my mentor, James, makes over $30,000 per month with Builderall, you can click the link in the description down below to learn more. Thank you very much for watching this video. I look forward to seeing you in the next one. Take care. Have a great day.